Good morning and good evening, guys. This is Anthony, co-founder of Anthony's Training and Solution. I also own the website learndatamodeling.com. So today we started online data modeling training, and this was conducted by a senior data architect director, and who is an adjunct professor in two top US universities also. The professor is a US citizen, and he lives in California, and he was sharing his 20 years of experience. So today, the professor explained about what is a data model, what is a conceptual data model, what is a logical data model, what is a physical data model, and he was comparing the data model with our home construction, right? So he gave several examples so that even a layman can understand that one. And after that, the beauty of this session was he was explaining how to find out the entities from a business perspective, right? So he took one example of a clinic, okay, which had doctors, patients, treatment, disease, etc., etc. So he gave all of those information in one paragraph. He explained how entities must be identified, and based upon that, he gave three examples also for the students to work in the class. And students did that almost perfectly. Okay, you can say 90%. They understood the concept and they did that. And after that, he also explained what are the protocols we followed while constructing the data model. So, how to create entities, attributes, and what kind of differences an entity will have, an attribute will have. So he gave a lot of examples, and I'm going to share this video to you. Fine. So basically, I'm going to upload this video in my Google Drive, and whoever needs access to that one, right, for read only purpose, they can do that one. And for the information, okay, this course is the first course with learndatamodeling.com. Okay, that is the association between the professor and learndatamodeling.com. So the offered price is $300. From next month onwards, like it will be $450. Fine. So kindly watch the video if you're interested. Kindly let me know. I can join you in my session. Fine. From tomorrow onwards or from next week onwards. So today and tomorrow, these are going to be introductory classes in this data modeling training. And I'll be publishing the link also for my data modeling training in this YouTube video. So let me go to okay, here you can see about the professor. Okay, his name is Ravi Kumar Nandagopalan. Fine, 20 plus years of experience, right? So teaching with the two universities, and he did his MS Analytics, right? So he's EGP of IMB India, B Mechanical, certified PMP, OCP, and SAP. And moreover, he worked in these companies also: Infoblox, Check, Google, Citi, Cisco, Geico, Freddie Mac. Fine. As I mentioned to you earlier in this video, I'm going to publish this link also. You kindly watch at it, and if you're interested, please let me know. I can enroll you for my program. And if you have any questions, kindly ping us and we can answer that. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.